yesterday morning. And you know, my car just wouldn't start. What's wrong with that car, Eddie? What's wrong with that damn thing?
Picture tube.
Picture tube. He said, I woke up this morning again. And you know, my car just wouldn't start. You know what the sad thing is? I didn't even have a chance to put it in drive. You know, I had to leave it in park. Yeah, we had to go to work and stuff, and it's like this. So I was 2 hours late to work, cause you know, I had to walk in a cold, freezing rain. My boss wasn't too kind with that when I got in there. I said, let me sit down, let me talk to you one more time. I said, hey boss, you know I was 2 hours late to work. I had to walk in the cold and freezing rain. He looked at me and said, son, that just won't do. And I said, what you trying to say? He said, you know where the front door is. You can go back home and tell your wife and kids, ain't that a shame? And I said, I still got my guitar. But then Kurt said, yeah, still got my harmonica, man. So I had to go back home. The rain was falling down, and all the downs, man, on my head. All my friends were passing me by. Such a damn shame. So I had to walk back home. Cause you know my boss, he let me go. Now my friends just rode on by. It was cold. And you know what? When I got back to my driveway, I pulled out my gun and I shot that car about 100 times or so. Nobody be driving that car no more. Don't trade in value. I'd like to thank Kurt for coming all the way from Kansas City. Kansas City.
It's in DC now.
DC. Okay, it's not so far.
All right.
Yeah, you can get down a little bit more.